Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Lambic beer step by step. Begin by preparing a long coolship cooling session and sourcing mixed spontaneous yeast and aged hops for the wort. Mash with a low-temperature schedule, then boil sparsely and transfer to wooden barrels for open fermentation. Monitor temperature and gravity and embrace slow, wild fermentation over months. Keep notes and taste occasionally to learn how your house culture develops. Gather your base Pilsner malt, a small portion of wheat, aged hops, and a source of spontaneous mixed cultures, plus a coolship and wooden barrels for aging. Get reliable hydrometer, thermometer, and gravity tracking tools. Use local ambient microbes rather than pure cultures for authentic lambic character, and maintain clean but not sterile barrel conditions. Patience is essential, so plan storage space and labeling to track multiple batches over time. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future brewing guides. I picked a set of leak-proof meal prep containers that make storing samples and yeast slurries tidy and spill-free, perfect for your brewery fridge. They're microwave and dishwasher safe for quick cleanup and organization. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a set if you want neater storage. Now let's get back to the video. Cool the boiled wort overnight in the coolship to capture ambient microbes, then transfer to wooden barrels for open fermentation and slow development. Expect vigorous primary fermentation in a few weeks, then extended aging for many months to years to build complex sour and barrel funk. Taste periodically, note changes, and consider blending barrels to balance acidity, malt sweetness, and fruitiness. Bottle condition when stable, and store bottles at consistent cellar conditions for further refinement.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.